The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey my youth, you know what I watch? Dancehall.
These are the police officers I just meet coming out of my mother's house. Nobody is in the house, and they just came out of the house. These are the two officers. You don't want me to show your face? You need to let me see your face. You just come out of my mother's house.
Excuse me?
I need to see. I am recording you. Yes, I just see y'all come out. I just see y'all come out of my mommy's house. Nobody here. What y'all been doing? What y'all been doing in my mommy's house? See? The police, they're gone. Just come out of mommy's house. Nobody there. That's the police.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla, and I want to say respect to each and everyone. Now, I just presented a video to you that is out on social media where allegations had been made that Bahamian police officers were in someone's house when no one was at home. And there has been other allegations as well, like Bahamian police officers were looting and Bahamian police officers breaking and entering someone's house while no one was at home. Now, please bear in mind that these are just allegations, and what I just told you is based on what has been said out there on social media. Now, it has been said that things are really bad in the Bahamas since the hurricane had hit the Bahamas. That would be Hurricane Dorian. And based on some of the reports that I've heard and some of the videos that I've seen, things seems to be really bad in the Bahamas, viewers and subscribers, you know, as they are trying to repair the damages and recover from the lives that has been lost and other things had been as well, you know what I mean? Viewers and subscribers, as I look at the video where persons that are said to be police officers are accused of entering someone's house without no one being at home, right? I have to ask a few questions. Could it be that they are not real police officers, all right? But then again, why would the person say that they are police officers? Is it that the person know that they are police officers, or is it that they are wearing a shirt or something that says police officers? You know what I mean? Something there that give them the indication that they are police officers, all right? All right, so these are the things I'm looking at, you know what I mean? Well, anyways, viewers and subscribers, I just presented a video to you that is out on social media where allegations have been made of Bahamian police officers were in a house when no one was at home, all right? And you don't know me, Dancehall Skilla, there to keep you up to date and post it and make you know what I want. And you can also let me know what you think about something like this, all right? So until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.